It's a small world. Careful what you're doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it. Born Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money, where me go get it from? There I try us up on the sun. She want AC, but me have fun. But every action is a reaction, and sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action, Jamaican dreaming of the axeman. Careful what you do and say, vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She lose her mind after taking the Molly. It's a small world. Careful what you doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it. Now get this in the head. Too much people dead. Better it up on the roadside, selling fish and bread instead of paying. Uncle Jaffe, another day. Time look bleaky. Good morning. No run, man.
I know, sir, you make a contract.
But what now?
Your rent.
You know, sir, at the raising a rent business, make me not pay rent yet.
2 months now.
I know that, you know. But tell me now go to raise a rent or not go on with it, you know.
Me say, at 2 months now. And if you can't give me money, you come out of my place.
It was 25,000 first. And now I tell me say 35.
You know, since everything raised.
And me make things raise?
That not nothing to do with me.
So same way the addition we put upon me now pay none until you carry it back down and strike me strike. You know.
If you not get me money, give me, you come out of here.
You know what? I don't want you to spoil my man, you know. Me have to go to work and me have to concentrate on the people them where swim so they don't lose their life. So here, excuse me here.
I want to the Rasta boy here.
What you say? Dead or alive? What you say about the mission?
Dead or alive? What you say?
Dead. Body me a carry.
Anything what you say then, you know.
I don't like man. I kill man and beat man and do man things, you know.
Anything what you say, man.
Me a kill you and carry you.
Alright, we carrying the bag then. I say alright.
Hello.
Babe, good morning. I miss you so much. You can't come look for me? I need you right now.
No, me can't make me know. Man now can make it. 3 weeks before me come down the bill. Just wash it and put it down.
What do you mean 3 weeks? 3 weeks too long. You need to come now.
Babes, me on a mission, babes. Therefore, one man we kill woman and me have to complete the mission before me come down. That's easy, man. When me come down, man, me carry out for you, treat you and, you know.
You know what? Everything good. I gotta just go up and my sister go look for me nephew because I can't mother right now.
Alright, babes.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright, love you. Boy, me have one woman there, boy, me I tell you.
Hey girl, good morning.
Hey,
What's up?
Morning.
Where you coming from this time of the morning?
Man, I'm just coming back from last night.
Oh, for real? You turned up last night?
Yeah, I went to this party and I found this guy that I like, so I just kind of stayed out all
Had some
night.
fun. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, where you going?
Oh, I'm going to find me a man out on the road.
The soldier guy?
Him not going good. Him too busy with work and thing. We need a new man right now.
Right now? Alright.
Yeah, girl.
See you.
Later, baby.
Later. Alright.
me step back and pass.
Why you not jump up on my pass? I see me first. Look, me them more across the bridge than you.
But up on the bridge before, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Anyways, good morning. How's your morning?
Do I know you?
I don't know you. You don't know me either.
No, your face looks familiar. If I'm around here.
I got an apartment recently.
Oh, that means you're somebody new then. But in that case, I think I would like to get to know you though. And I'm a lifeguard, so I'm certified to guard your life, not only in the seawater, but Rona, so it can be a place like that. You see them goalie and them trench, I'm never sure if it's diver to be through them, so.
Okay.
I'll be like your bodyguard.
Right. Well, most of the times I'm alone at the house, so you could come see me sometime. Or where do you work? I could come see you.
Oh, I'm a lifeguard. You can see I work at the beach park. For this week, next week I'll be at Bloody Bay, Long Bay. One of the beach, we forget so.
Oh, I could come look for you down at your workplace later in the... What time you leave work?
It's the first a girl ever be so forward with me and just talk straight. You know what I mean? Because most of the girls I'm going corner. Anywhere I come from is a good place. What's your name though? I never get a name.
My name is Kayla.
Kayla. Well, you can call me Fire.
Nice to meet you, Fire.
Are you playing with me or not?
No, I'm not playing with you, man.
Alright, I'll give me a number. Come there, I want to take your number, you know?
Alright, give me a number. I'm going to call you later when I come up with you.
Alright. 825 19
Yeah.
46.
What you say your name, Fire?
Fire.
Alright, Fire.
So call me no more up on the beach and wait for your call.
Alright then.
So where do you rent this apartment down here?
Oh, it's somewhere in Whitehall. I'll take you there later.
Don't play with me now. I'll look to see you later.
May I link you, man? You will see.
Alright?
Yeah, man, later.
Come on.
When you say lady I come from here.
You know, say today she did to come, but she said she's busy and she have somebody else here though. So when she get the time, she will let me know.
Once she forward, man, come here, we'll want to do, you know.
Want to fit you.
I say boy them walk, you know. Hello?
My big brother.
Yeah, what want you? What make your son so?
Me say me have a rasta man in my place, you know. And the boy box me up, you know, because guess what?
What? What you say?
Me gonna ask him for me right money, the boy don't want me for right money. Why you gonna lick me right now, you know?
Alright, sis. Me a come right now. But me now reach on there till night. And where St. Thomas me a come from?
Sure no star. You're the too far, you know. But anyway, me wait till I come, man.
Alright.
Don't search it. I want to, man.
Don't worry, boy, just with my sister.
What you say?
Yo, here what? Go and scope out the place. No engaging.
See?
Here what? Me I check up on my sister and road here. You hear?
Just road.
No engaging.
Okay. Let's
Alright.
go.
Mommy. Uncle Barry.
Me don't like your Uncle Barry thing, you know. Just say Barry. Me a young man, me know all.
$1,000 me a big figure shop.
Hold on, I'm soon come.
Barry, I hope I no gun argument and gun thing you'll end up in, you know. And the year said the politician have grown in a community and a get barrel of gun, you know. A big container me here say come. So I hope you're not involved in a no gun problem. Alright, cause gun problem a dangerous problem.
Alright, babes. Listen, man. I'm not that politician link me, but he link me because we want some upliftment in our community and he say, me are the right man. Because you don't know you then look up to me. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm not involved in anything there. Me go up on the road, but anything later. Come here. Now.
Alright.
Alright, yeah,
take care.
Yeah, man.
I wonder how old coffee master at the boy. You see all your boy, I can tell you something. Let me tell you something. Don't kill a whole heap of time here for your boy them. 1.5 years now since, you know. Me and my baby mother not talking, you know. So me don't know how comes you come to come tell me say me kill my baby mother, you know. So you want me now. Me I go take a run, you know. Me and you go and make a deal. You see him like how you can't find my baby mother body. Why you tell them say you shoot me and you can't find my body. You hear me I tell you? Because me's an innocent man. Consider yourself very lucky. You're a murderer, you know. Remember, I can be. Yeah.
Chuck, why you look so lost?
You know, say me go shop a while ago and $1,000 drop out when me reach a shop me could buy what me want.
$1,000? And I hit really walk and look for $1,000 simple thing. I like you still, you know, yeah? You're beautiful.
I must see me $1,000 this papa.
Well, let me show you something. Hit me this, You know his serial number?
What you talk about?
You see Dirt Funny? You can talk about if you want money. Come over me yard, you will get it.
Papa, you look me, you look me mother, everything with frock you want. And different that you don't see me have me man. You don't see you carry me man drive. Me don't want no walk foot man.
Hello, you talk about your car man. Yeah, baby love, you have to creep before you walk. A plane me soon drive. First of all, let me teach you something. You see car man, every single day they have a different girl in their car. I saw them a transport girl. So we are talk about?
He loyal to me. Plus, he grew up in a good home. His parents are my pastor. Make me stay with my man. He love me and me love him too. What more me want? Me don't want you, papa.
Pastor? His parents ever pastor? I feed them pitney at the body set up pitney them on the earth. Me I tell you that.
Kira, wake up man. You know wake from morning?
Me me tired now.
I know you're still asleep. Anyway, me I go pan the hustling. You know me have to go work. So little more.
Alright, later.
Alright then. Yeah,
My
man.
man a one burner.
One burner? You know how much food one burner cook? You talk about one burner.
Mommy.
Come here, man.
I can day.
Go about your business. Don't call me. Me go pan the beach now, go hustle. You know me have to work.
Yeah.
So later, go in the kitchen, go look on the pot before it burn up. Me soon come. Later.
Yes, mommy. Be careful on the road.
Alright, baby. Thank you.
Candy.
What's your problem?
Wow. You're beautiful. What happened?
Where you touch me for? You see you? You know say I eat that? Barry a bad man. Suppose I make him come see you touch me in my ear. You not no sense. If you know me, know you come go on in your yard.
No, you talk about Barry. Remember say me know you before Barry. And no matter of fact, me we dead for you. Me love you.
Dead for who?
Of course, he could even with a grenade, but I catch it for you. You know?
Papa, your mouth too sweet. You think me no know say I look all of my daughter them?
Serious.
We didn't take it serious. We didn't take it serious.
We can't continue to do this all the while in a car. You at least can carry me go to one hotel or get an apartment. We can do a little thing and, you know.
Me have an apartment, man. Babe, guess what I want now? Me have plans for you, you know. But it's a base pan. Every time I come check you, me have to spend money, you know, and put in your pocket. Better than put the money in your pocket. And which part of money there for me right now is like, me can't really maintain everything right now because things kind of tough. But me can't come here and get no money. You understand me I say?
Yeah, man.
So instead of you go spend money on hotel and all these things, better me just give some and save some. Because I have big plans for you, you know.
Alright. Alright, baby, I understand. But at least next time, let's go out in the nature. You know, go a riverside. That nice too, you know. You know, nice little view and the nice cool water. Yeah. And you know you can make
Hold on.
Babe. Nothing, alright?
Yeah, man, me alright, man. Me there cool out.
Where you there?
Under one big tree. Just a cool out in the country.
Mommy that prepare something. You want me to leave some for you?
What you gonna cook?
Just have some cook food. So stew chicken.
Ah. Yeah, man, so. Hold on, babe. Give me a minute. Yeah?
Get a room, man. What kind of style that?
Babe. Me call back, yeah? One. Me call back. What you mean get a room? What you talking about?
But I'm my little cousin that you know, big man.
Try that, man.
You see all the girl, you're my cousin, but me no rate your style. If you do better than that.
Madman, stop watch your cousin.
Hey.
A bad man?
No.
So make him turn back.
Come out, I can.
Well,
your cousin for you?
Yes, and I try my talk sometime I can go to hotel. But no mind him, I say him stay. I say him watch all my family member them. He just have eye on them so.
You still have stick me about the hotel thing. I talk to you about it already.
But we must say it true.
Yo, Mama.
Yes.
Wow, what do you know?
Where you come from? Where come to me for now?
You know, say your son take your boss money.
My son take your boss money.
And why you know, say we have him on the ends, you know, we are going to shell him, you know.
So that's how when my son take your boss money.
Your son a thief.
You can't prove so my son a thief.
You and mama.
You did it when you take the
You
money?
and mama.
Yeah.
We know you're not long talking with you because we see say you're
Look
tough.
here, man. Look here. You attack me have a right to talk to defend my son. You did so
You
when you
no
take the money.
defender in this thing.
You see when he take it?
Oh, you move so high. You look like you want to get shelter, you know. Hear me, bad man. Call his son there.
That me go there, you know.
Well, call him.
Make him know what go on. Because if I bad him bad, so me want to know, you know.
I say if I bad, you really bad, sir.
Not bad, me bad.
Alright, yo, talk to your mother, here. Hold this, sir.
Hello? Yes? Where are you?
Yo, take a phone
They
from a woman
said
there.
if you don't get back your money, they might
Bad man, take your phone here, man. That's
Alright,
enough.
Give me the phone.
Let me talk to my son. Let me
What
talk
can I talk to your son? Me just come and talk to you.
Bad man, take your phone from the woman, man.
Give me the phone in a year.
Let me go.
Yo, boy, you say now when I get my money, I'm going to tell you.
Hey, you mama.
Me go get the money and go. Right? Just give me 24 hours and me go no the money.
24 hours?
Yes.
You get 23.
24 hours.
You see, one if you make it 4,
Yeah.
a bullet in our head if you don't get the money.
So, you don't have your go on, sir? You don't have your go on,
Your son
sir?
better bring back your money.
We said the next 24 hours you don't get to no
You know,
money.
you say at 23 you not get.
Well, at 24.
Alright, make it 24. Better reach on the 23.
No, go. Because on the things you don't have the upper hand. On the thing you don't have the upper hand.
I have no police involved.
Do I know one, though?
Oh, good, man.
Yes, mommy.
My daughter, you have no money for you?
No, you know, say me not have no money.
You know, say me in a little problem and me want some money. So I don't know if you could have helped me out, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, no care how small it is.
Me also have something you go on an idea, yeah.
Okay then, alright. Thank you very much.
Where you go?
Baby, no say for me get door. Say them a look one bartender over so me a go and start out the interview. So yeah, the exercise. By the way, you know say one here one do. So just can't go doing here.
Out of all of the work, them have to go look one bar work. You couldn't say I go down a hotel go try look one work down there.
But baby, no say hotel ain't not take on nobody right now. Look how much application I sent me letter off and nobody no call me. So me have to just go and occupy my time.
Alright, do you have to do? Because I'm there so I go and work out. But be careful on the road. It come like a girl may I go.
Oh, I remember. One year for do. Don't forget. So
Alright.
come here.
Yeah man, look come on.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
You may feel say something come by, but no, sir. I know that right now, you know. Because me look some fun for our studio, because you understand?
Okay.
And let out music, the system here. You understand?
I'm here, one.
Alright. Me go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I tell no life in a 20 view, man. Man, I touch couple girl for the 22, man. I touch couple girl.
Alright, well, this year.
Alright, boom.
Alright, take care.
Yo! You don't know something I do a tune and you give me a money, though. You want to hear me tune?
What kind of music?
Me have one money tune.
Singing and come on some money, you know.
Alright. Me I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I go for the cheddar for the 22, man. I tell no life in a 20 view, man. Man a touch couple girl for the 22. Man a touch couple girl for the 22. Man a touch couple girl for the 22. Man a touch couple girl. Man a do it for the better for the 22. Man a do it for the better for the 22. Man a do it for the better for the 22. Man a do it. Hey, yeah, say about me tune.
So why you sing so much 22?
You remember saying, at the year me I sing about. You say about 2016 we in a target at 2016 sound. You understand?
Well, I can't tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
Me go get the money, but you see the song, don't continue with the 22 too long for me. Don't too boring. Cause right now me almost sleep, you know. You see studio money there.
Alright, before that.
So hold on, me hear next tune, but me don't want to hear nothing with 22. Let me get another one.
Alright. Me out for the cash them. Me not tell no life in no cash them. Me not tell no life in no cash them. So me a cash me goods and go through the gate. Cause me want the thing them very quickly. You don't know the thing them still.
You see, I lost money me again, but you hear me tell you, sir. You see, find a better song. Cause you see that song, me I tell you the truth. If me go to a stage show, me go to studio, but find a better song. When I go to studio, harmonize the song properly. Alright.
Alright, my brother.
Shelly, do that boy a head for me, because he mother gonna look work. Quan, listen to me. Sit down, make sure they're here. Yeah. Yeah, sit. No man burn him up in the sun, but be there for me, mother gonna look work. Here. Sit down, man. Let it soak up.
Beach part dirty door. So I go on. Today I want comfortable at all. Yeah, go on with it. Stay put on weight, girl. Yeah. Sorry, me take so long, man. To me, I try to meds. What if you tell everyone this if you come out of the house? Me have to tell say I walk me gonna look girl and me get called.
And that's your life gone to now?
Why I say going on? And I say walk take you over. And man take me up. Put me where you're not even can see me and me can see you.
Me I say man and I want little day after me get to them, I say me wanna make the go.
I'm not wrong here. So yeah, over that place you're going over your workplace. You must get enough tip or supervisor and all these things you're supposed to turn.
Supervisor? Girl that you don't even know.
What you say?
Front desk work, I only if you put on pretty clothes, I look nice.
Really?
The clothes I wear, me have to wear one badge. On top of my name badge. No tips needed, I'm always good.
Are you wear that? That means you're good?
Good? Me far from good, girl. They say hard work is the key to success. I'm gonna go there and I do hard work. Think me would be successful. A slave work that. What do you know, so me get 300 US from a white man and I fi give him back? You know all that bun me? That bun every string in me.
I can't believe what you just said to me. Are you not at least try to tuck it somewhere or hide it somewhere?
Hide it somewhere? You want a camera the east, camera the west. If me talk it so then see, if me talk it so then see. Me can't hide it nowhere. So what about you? From your breed, me earlier see I walk along field in the yard there.
Me? Well girl, my man sit down up there expect me if go look work on mine him. Tell us something. Yes, before me breed, that boy they promised me world. Or am I gonna make me alright, me not go short on nothing. Now he just come like he forget everything. But me not say nothing to him. Look for me good, no say me a dolly. When I talk about dolly, me a the real definition of dolly. Me not go work for no chicken chain. Jamaica can't pay me. Me have Soling Safari and just wait till that job. Me not say 40. Anyway, me could go swim. I want to go swim. Alright, now me
You not go too far, you know. I'm blasted, you come to test me nerve today. Evelyn, no one do. Plan to swim now?
We go take a quick swim.
Half due, but soon come half duty, you know, me about one next 30 minutes. So after them time, I not get paid, but you don't look good, so me stay and watch, you know. You can't swim?
No. No.
But here what? You don't cross nowhere past your neighbor. Right? Because I can't swim neither. But me there feel guard on no life, so you no go too far. Because I can't save you no. So but me just gonna advise you no cross or so. You no play no game, you no go so. You no play game, come back on the sand. Before you do on the sand and play. And just dip on and foot in the water, alright?
Okay.
No go far because I can't swim.
So where you there, Sado?
I'm the lifeguard.
So how you a lifeguard? You can't swim?
You can't swim.
Here one now. I'm a lifeguard. So me advise you know how to save on life. Me a guard you know. So if you no go anywhere past down upon own risk. I'm so glad me and me off duty anytime I take a sign and turn around because but me word of mouth me a stay to save can't advise you no more. But half an hour for now me gone still. So go and do what I do.
Yeah, we are gonna just ask if you keep them here for your Rasta, please.
Alright, no sorry, but let me say half an hour.
And the expensive phone here, just keep it safe for me, please.
I go put my number on it.
Nothing wrong. You're cute though.
Alright, you have money. Come back here, man. Remember, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, what on, man? Don't pass on the neighbor. Don't catch up so far. I can't swim. I'm now come out the phone. I'm always upstairs this evening now. Come up further, yes, sir. Yeah, man, let's see it, does so. Not go no further out, there, man. You're not inch, you know, take a mile. Candy! Go on. Come in, young ass. Don't get act like up on the beach, you know. Look like you make a piece of money today, girl. I said the one a while ago, you know. I see you, know.
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, you want to use them now?
No, so I don't make no portion of money today. I just little bit of, you know, I don't know nothing. Little change.
Yeah, lucky piece of girl, you know. Remember say, you know, how you make money on the beach and make the beach look active, you know. When you take the beach, you flash a lock, so everything you have sell off.
The beach slow, you know. But me still have to try, you understand? For you see one of my daughter, yeah. My daughter this, you know. No. You're wet. You're wet. You can't wet me up. My clothes dry and feel wet. You know, say we get enough hug up from me, man. But you don't have to wet me up, you know. You understand? But space and fly up on the beach.
How's your daughter? The first one or the last one?
This time I wash belly. I last one.
Nice to official meet your girl. But you can't good pity come, man. Nice girl. You can't good pity come here. Big up yourself, my friend.
Yes, of course.
I want to know. Come and see her and sit and pass and not to know. So it's a small world living there, you know.
Yeah, man. When womb bless. You know, so she nice.
Yeah, man. She look good for real. Yo, here, my phone already.
Alright. Don't say a word. My daughter.
Oui.
Me think you work today.
No, sir, I'm not work today. Today I'm a day off.
Okay. You know, sir, me never remember say today your day off. And you know friend the other day me want to talk to you?
But what now, miss?
Me see your son they run up and down on the road. No baby that. You and your father we got prison, you know. Why you not send him go give government if you don't know if you take care of pitney? Me not understand, you know. Them are young people, you just go have pitney so and let them go like a Lego beast on the road. Car they pass, bicycle, truck man. You don't know say we got prison?
But Miss Candy, when I know a normal little boy, no? You know normal, none at all. So we all you pre things down and said this and that. You don't know half of what happened.
That's why you and his father fi keep on your eye upon him. It's especially you as the mother, the father gone all about. Eh? And you the woman and you don't know see your pitney gone on the road. You are telling me say that the baby they not normal. You and his father are two careless parents. Uno no forget no picnic. I want to know young people.
Here right now, me ready. Me I go go. Cause right now your mother pass our place. Me see you. Me call you here.
Mummy, you chat too much. You love take up people business for your Eddie, or she and her baby father and baby business become yours. Me tell us you have to love people business alone.
Little girl ring with me.
Mummy, you have to box me and me a big woman. Don't box me, man.
Oh, yo. What not there, sir?
How you feel like? You feel say you're a big woman?
Yo.
No manners. You feel say you're a woman? I will put your little girl. Not pass the place with me. Wait till I hold you. You're out hard and know what.
Come.
So little girl, yeah.
Are your daughter, you know? Are you wash belly?
I'm a daughter about them for your manners. If you even 100-year-old in for your manners, you can't disrespect your mother like that.
When you go home, you sit down and talk about it. See later, when you go home, your mother talk about it. You talk about it when you go home. You see your friend ready there? Yo, see your friend I wait for you there now. Go on with your friend. So you say I go on with your friend. Lower that man.
The little girl too rude.
How's up in this day, man?
Pitney, a big woman.
No worry about that. Take her back.
From then 30 man, them a big woman.
Message for the world.
Jamaican City.
This a message
Drop star. Richard Brown Films.
This is a message
Curious King.
for the world.
Public Report.
It's a small world. Careful what you're doing it. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it.
Born Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money where me go get it from. There I try us up on the sun. She want AC but me have fun. But every action is a reaction, and sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action, Jamaican dreaming of the axeman.
Careful what you do and say. Vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She lose her mind after taking the Molly. It's a small world. Careful what you doing it. It's a small world.
Need some serve. How you do, ma'am?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
So far, so good, you know.
What can I do for you today?
You know, sir, some fruits more bring home for, you know, for wifey. You know what I mean? Some don't know if you have no cane. You have cane?
Yeah, man.
Sort me out. Set me up on some stuff.
Alright.
Yeah, man, the bag they look decent.
One bag of cane.
Melon? Yeah, man, just set me up.
Fire.
Sure, yeah. Alright. How much for them something here?
1,000 good, man.
1,000?
Yeah, man.
Alright,
respect.
Next time I say I can't carry one extra, you can get an extra out there. Here, but that 1,000 I walk with.
Alright,
Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Is a piece of it. Yeah. Paradise. Oh, paradise. Oh, paradise. Oh, paradise. Oh, paradise. Sweet, yeah. Careful what you're doing there.
From when me wait for you, or you just a reach?
Babe, a far country there, you know. A long me a drive in the traffic and on the bad road and all these things. And see me get some fruits for you.
But B, them a fruits and look like a pig up in them a country, you know, look like a roadside they buy them from.
Yeah, because guess what now? It's up a country, a be lazy people in a country, you know, no farming now go on. A fast life then like, so I have to get them fruits out of the street from country.
Well, me appreciate it still. I'm just glad you're there again.
Oh God, me too, babe.
That perfume smell new, though.
Yeah, my auntie up a country me get the perfume from. Auntie coming now? So wait till me go a country.
Come in, I wonder why you go a country so regular. But if
Auntie,
your auntie just come, and you go before, I want my country so.
babe, and me have to take care of the land up there, you know. Me have to survey the place and make sure everything alright. So me have to check in now and then to make sure up there alright.
So like you finally reach now and the wait is over. Mommy, I remember another year, you know, so just we go inside and go start up a thing.
Yeah, we can do it, but guess what now? Journey from country, try it driving just tiresome. So just give me about 5 minutes, me just nap off, you know, the little tired vibes, and then we can do what we are doing. Nobody give me a face them now.
Alright, take a quick nap. Cause you know what we want tonight, son at.
Yeah, then I see me go drop a tune and give me a cash, you see it? Come on, guys. Studio go drop a tune. You understand?
You like me dancing?
Me could hear what you want. Alright. Yo, me I go for the cheddar, for the 22, man I go for the cheddar, for the 22, man I tell no life, you know 20 if you man Man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch couple girl for the 22, man I touch...
What kind of song this?
My girl, look how you lumpy, lumpy, you fat and jumpy, jumpy. Right now, show me have a conky, can conky in your phone. You're fat and lumpy, lumpy. Babes, oh yeah, a little joke about that road, man, a little joke.
Stay there, go and laugh, man. Shop lock tonight.
What do you mean shop? Hey, boy. Keep me browning name out of your mouth. You see a girl in my mouth? That me I tell her, keep me, hey boy.
Where you go?
I'm leaving.
Go where?
Me a move out cause mommy box me.
Where mommy a box you for?
Imagine, me and my friend up on the beach and mommy disrespect her. And me a try show mommy and I say, mommy, that wrong, you shouldn't do that. And that me simple say to her, you know, and mommy box me, you know, in front of crowd and in front of people, you know. And me box her back.
No. You know mommy stay. You should never box her back. Me and you know mommy stay. She have anger problem. You could have go aside, you know, and take on the time deal with it. Remember say the Bible say, honor your mother and your father, so your days shall be long, Kira.
Tav, now that same Bible they say, don't provoke your kids to wrath.
Listen to me. Me your bigger sister. And if you pull any bag, and me and mommy and you just justify this. And enough time there here, so you know, I'm want to leave, you know. I'm still there up to this day. So we need to fix this. So put on your bag and come.
Candy.
Where friend me suffer? How are?
The eye see you from one day and the eye just a study how you upgrade, you see me? And you who me like, in that area, come here you're on the same level. You move from board house, you build a concrete house. We have a concrete house.
Me and you not on the same level at all. Me and you could never be on the same level. Back up. And me you want all us come tumble down pan. You not live with your big girl over there so big and strong. So you want she fi come in argument with me so me take her man? Papa, you should have known better. If me did want you, mother get you before she. Go on over your yard.
No man, not say that man. You can't even say that. The young girl over there can't cook. Between me and you, I pay fast food. A fast food bring him up so. He come then thin like a me and him big. Pay $5,000 food, $4,000 food. We can't manage your old man like you me like. Can't look and cook. Need you no dumpling up on your fingernail. Natural man.
Let go from my finger. Take your filthy and off of me. Who you call all? You know what? Come go on in your yard. And if you hear nobody, they ask the rent house. Me have the old house that's how me used to live in and me a rent out it. Tell them to come check me but you no come back. Me not no time for you.
Alright later. Yeah, love you. Milk.
See, mommy, I come. Mommy, come. Here, I have something to talk to you about. Remember, be on your best behavior.
Alright. Me you a big woman have to say now. I look like I am my mother. What you say now, my mother? She come on the beach, she beat me off today.
Mommy, just calm down and no bother with it. Kira, explain yourself.
Mommy, sorry, feel like you're back, but with work and with everything where you're going around me in my workplace and so, it has stressed me out and I take out it on you and that was wrong. I don't know if you can find it in your outfit. Forgive me.
Me forgive you. But on one condition, you need to respect me and try not make it happen again. You see when me dey on the beach at daytime I hustle, me go through a lot of things. Whole heap of stress, frustration, problem. And me take him, me no carry home, come put it on uno. Police, everybody dey on the beach. You understand they do their work. And me under pressure. Me try to keep it to myself. Me no put me on pound and take you out pound. Me forgive you still. But you, out of all, Kira, you is the last person me I look for see put their hand for me. You understand? Me I beg you not do it again. Cause it that not look good none at all. You understand? Mother and daughter. They fight. Me no in that video again. It's not going to like it. And you see your
Mommy, me sorry.
As simple as that.
no papa advice that. I wonder where you want now. Me coming! Where you want?
You know hear what happened?
What happened?
Between me and you know say me no fast in people business, but you must go see it. They lock up your man.
What you say?
Me say them catch Barry with gun. Me never know say you have gun man and look at me over this I strive with the little $9 a week. I don't want me a gun man you want. Why?
Papa, I lie they tell her a truth at all.
You ever see me I tell lie? As a God, me say up on the news, me I see it when they go buy the food for me woman. As me tell you, she no love cook. As so call me see it on the TVs.
Thank you for telling me. Me I go down a station go see if me can bail him.
Down where?
Down a station.
You think I one gun and get him with? I want a whole barrel. One whole barrel, he now come back. No make sense, you go down there.
Thank you for telling me. Me I go in, me know what to do. Don't worry yourself. Thanks, later.
Alright, Candy, your man carry a barrel of gun, but me I carry a barrel of love for you. Me soon come back. Warning.
It's a small world. Careful what you're doing. It's a small world. We the people ruin it. It's a small world. Just want a piece of it. It's a small world. But mine is the piece of it.
Born Jamaican, hungry man. People want the money, where me go get it from? There I try us up on the sun. She want AC, but me have fun. But every action is a reaction, and sometimes no satisfaction. Champion in action, Jamaican dreaming of the axeman.
Careful what you do and say. Vanity will fade away. I hear another mother cry today. Gunplay, another life got taken away. Oh, I'm so sorry. She lose her mind after taking the Molly.
It's a small world.